dancing. Now, okay, Amor, you will use a magic wand. Okay, how do you use a magic wand? You swish and flick and you say, Happy birthday, Ian. Very good. Amor, here, hold the magic wand. Okay, hold the magic wand. Very good. Okay, and then you concentrate, swish, and don't laugh, it's really to contact. But that's okay, we'll take a sip. Everybody blow, blow. Ready? Swish and flick. And say, Happy birthday, Ian. There you go. Here, Amor. Hold, concentrate. Like, and then, you swish. You don't laugh, because we have, you know what, I think it's really broken. Throw it away. Why don't we just blow? Okay, ready? Amor, 1, 2, 3, blow.
Blow. Nakasad face.
Alright, very good. Now everybody say, Happy birthday, Ian! Alright, we concentrate and shake, 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 dun, 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 dun. Shake, shake, shake. Alright, now let's see what's inside. It's a... Oh, yeah! Now, you are very good. Now, who wants to bring the rabbit home? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many rabbits is he right now? Are you okay, Amor? Okay, how many rabbits is he right now? 1. Okay, so if we have our multiplication pattern, put the rabbit here, and Amor will blow once again. Amor, 1, 2, 3, blow. Alright, very good. Good job. And now everybody, okay, say the magic word, say Happy birthday, Ian!
Happy birthday!
The rabbit's going to jump, so I want you to stand up, raise both hands. Okay, and get ready to catch the rabbit. Okay, ready? Concentrate, shake, 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 and everybody catch the rabbit.
Where's the rabbit?
Where'd you put the rabbit? Come on, where's the rabbit? No more rabbit? Okay, put here, put down. Okay, there you go. Very good. Now everybody clap your hands for me.